Financial biases can affect the behavior of investors. Here are some common ones. When it comes to the investment market, you will routinely hear the term behavioral finance, which is a subfield of behavioral economics. Behavioral finance proposes that psychological influences and biases largely affect the financial behavior of investors and finance practitioners. Behavioral bias essentially explains several market anomalies, including how the prices of stocks rise and fall in the markets and impact investment decisions. Here are 5 common behavioral finance biases in investing. The first type of behavioral finance bias is the disposition bias. Disposition bias refers to investors' tendency to label their investments as winners or losers. In doing so, investors may hang on to investments that no longer have any upside. They may also sell off winning investments too early in hopes of making up for their previous losses. This bias proves quite harmful as it can lead to increased capital gains tax and reduced returns before taxes. The confirmation bias is a dangerous one for an investor to have. It is essentially a cognitive and belief perseverance bias, which means it forces investors to emphasize ideas that confirm their own preconceived notions about investments. This bias devalues the ideas that contradict your own beliefs in an investment. Loss or regret aversion is a stressful bias. In this bias, investors are constantly fixated on and regret the smaller losses likely to be incurred on their investments, instead of concentrating on the bigger gains. For instance, investor concentrates more on the rupees 10 that could be lost on an investment instead of the rupees 100 gain possible. This is the most common type of bias that all investors face at one time or another. In this bias, investors tend to invest only in stocks of companies they know, instead of selecting those that provide a scope for diversification. Here, investors are bound by geographical limitations, which means they tend to avoid companies in other geographies. This bias leads to suboptimal investment portfolios with a higher risk of losses. Another bias most investors are guilty of harboring is the trend-chasing bias. Here, investors chase past performance in the misapprehension that historical returns predict future performance. This bias is further complicated by companies that advertise products based on past performance to attract new customers. However, research shows that investors do not benefit because past performance typically does not persist in the future. Difficult as it may seem, you can overcome your behavioral bias. Just remember to manage your emotions and not take decisions based on them. Also, do not invest in stocks based on their past performance alone. Instead, invest based on research. Do not go by rumors and do not follow markets blindly. So avoid behavioral biases in finance. Invest with the help of a professional investment advisor.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.